solemnly pledge before God and my country
solemnly pledge before God and my country
that I shall uphold
that I shall uphold
the Constitution and bylaws
the Constitution and bylaws
of the Philippine Nurses Association,
of the Philippine Nurses Association,
that I shall dedicate myself
that I shall dedicate myself
to support its vision
to support its vision
and mission,
and mission,
that at all times
that at all times
be guided by the professional standards
be guided by the professional standards
in the delivery of safe and quality health care
in the delivery of safe and quality health care
to my clients,
to my clients,
that I shall endeavor
that I shall endeavor
to excel
to excel
in my chosen field of work,
in my chosen field of work,
that with my whole being
that with my whole being
I shall strive to do my best
I shall strive to do my best
to serve my God
to serve my God
and my country.
and my country.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations and welcome. And again, congratulations to our new nurses.